Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the dollar rise 0.4% against the yen. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 10.5% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold dollar pair dove 1.5% in the last session. The CCI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil fell 0.7% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil weakened as the dollar rose, offsetting bullish Chinese trade data and continued production outages in the Gulf of Mexico. The dollar hovered near recent lows as traders brace for a slew of central bank meetings from Australia to Europe and Canada this week, looking for any signs that they are making progress towards policy normalization. Fintech Bitso, a cryptocurrency platform, said it will be the core service provider for Chivo, the Bitcoin digital wallet launched in El Salvador, as it becomes the first country in the world to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The French non-farm payrolls will be released at 5:30 GMT, Germany's 10-year bond auction at 9:30 GMT, the UK's RICS housing price balance at 23:01 GMT. Japan's EcoWatchers survey Outlook will be released at 500 GMT. Japan's EcoWatchers survey Current at 500 GMT. The U.S. Fed's Beige Book at 1800 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.